So welcome to Nakhon Pathom, a Boeing 747-200. Welcome to Nakhon Pathom, and as you can see behind me, we have one of the most iconic aircraft in the world, the Boeing 747. And this is not a 747-400, this is a 747-246B, so 200 series. And this was built and manufactured in 1980. So the age of it today is 45 years old. So it's not quite as old as me, but it's in a little bit better shape than I am. So Japan Airlines first acquired this under the registration JA8150, and it was delivered to Japan Airlines in 1981. Later flew for JAL Ways, their leisure subsidiary airline. So in 2007, it was then bought by Orient Thai Airlines, and it was operated by them for a few more years. So Orient Thai used the older 747-200s as we have here, and they were often for charter and budget long-haul flights. In 2009-2010, it was then retired from service. It was stored at Bangkok Suvarnabhumi Airport and then onto Don Muang. It was taken apart and loaded onto low-loader trucks and driven out here to Nakhon Pathom in the middle of the night where there was no traffic, obviously under police escort. It was on flatbed trucks. But I'm going to give you a little look around this aircraft now, and as we walk and talk, I will share some of the drone footage that I've managed to get. This is now looking in a very sad state, taken over by birds. They're living in the tail. You can see a couple hovering on the edge. So the engines are the original Pratt Whitney engines they've got on. Normally they take the engines off, but these are the original 4 engines, got some fan blades missing, etc. But we'll get up close and personal, have a little look around on that. You'll have to excuse the noise, guys, because we are actually on a main intersection junction as well. So there's going to be loads of noise, traffic noise behind me. But you can see the doors are like kind of ajar. And someone's obviously tried to get up here with the rope. Boeing delivered a masterpiece to Japan Airlines. This specific airframe, serial number 22479, began its life as JA8150. For nearly 20 years, it was the backbone of JAL's fleet. Crossing the Pacific and connecting to Tokyo, to the world, it wasn't just a plane, it was the queen of the skies, and during the golden age of aviation. But after 26 years of service in Japan, this legend found its new home in Thailand. So the birds have actually got access inside, which is a shame because they're crapping everywhere, and that doesn't help, obviously. There you go. Just got a little bit of shit in my eye. Well, you can see the Bridgestone aeroplane tyres here. Speed rating 225 mile an hour. Tubeless. Load ratio 50,400 pounds. Wow. So the electronic equipment box cover is there. And we've got a few people just sleeping, resting. This wheel is locked. Oh, we have a runner. And you can see how the fuselage is made up. It's honeycomb material, which we don't get to see, fiberglass. But you've got to be careful, there might be snakes under here. You can see the engines are now starting to rot away. That gave them a shock. So there you are inside the engine cowling. You can see the blades. And a tree growing on it. So in December 2007, the aircraft was re-registered as HS-UTR. So it became the workhorse for regional travel, ferrying thousands of passengers between Bangkok, Hong Kong and Seoul for years. It was a staple at Dongmang Airport. It was withdrawn from service, seemingly destined to be scrapped and forgotten. And here on the engine cover, you can actually see the old red and white from the Orient Thai colours. Its last owners. So what you're looking at is the heart of the machine, and for HS-UTR that means the classic loud, incredibly powerful Pratt Whitney JT9D-7Q turbofans. And back when it was flying for JAL and Orient, each one of these produced 53,000 pounds of thrust on takeoff, enough to lift 833,000 pounds of metal. So this is the Lamlok Bua intersection here in Nakhon Pathom. It was acquired by KCF Prime Foods and transported piece by piece to Nakhon Pathom. So it's no longer just a retired hull, it's the soul of what was a working market. The owner's vision was to turn this 230 foot icon into a community landmark, a soft power project that brings tourism to Don Thom district. Where else can you find a legendary Japanese airline veteran watching over a market selling 8-baht chicken? I wish I could get inside and have a good look around. You see it's falling apart now. They'll probably have to fence it off soon because there is bits falling off it. What a shame. I can't believe that window right at the front. Wow, what a view. When you're standing right next to it, it doesn't look as big as you think it would look. the aviation world, it's sad, isn't it? I mean, I love the A380, but you cannot beat the 747. And even this rarer one, the 200 series behind me. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining me on this video. And if you want to see some more vintage aircraft, old aircraft, retired aircraft, like this one behind me, the old JAL, then Orient Thai 747, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe, it's free, it takes 2 seconds to do it, and leave your likes, your comments, etc. It helps with the algorithm. All right, I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you.